Welcome to English Lanka channel. Today I got two topics for you. First one is taking a taxi. Second one is buying clothes. This English conversation contain key sentences for different scenarios that are used in everyday life. This conversation will help you because all the sentences are used in regularly. You can remember these all sentences easily through provided audible animations. Here we go.
Hello miss, do you need a taxi? Yes. Do you have any luggage? Just these 3 suitcases. Okay, I'll put them in the bag for you. Where are you going? To the pet club. I think there are 2 in this town. Which one are you going to? The one of downtown. Is this your first time in this town? No, I've been here many times. I come here for work all the time. Do you know how long it will take? Probably about 20 minutes. Oh, it looks like a traffic jam. The road is congested in the evening. Okay, then stop at the next intersection. From there, I will go a short way. Okay. Excuse me?
Hello, may I help you?
Yes. Can I see that blouse on the top shelf, please?
Sure, here it is.
How much does it cost?
1000 rupees.
1000 rupees? That's too much.
How about this one? It's on sale for only 850 rupees.
I don't like that one.
How about the one next to the white blouse? It's very similar to the one you like.
That's nice. How much is it?
800 rupees.
That will be fine.
Is this color okay? Or would you like a different color?
No, this is okay.
Do you need any more of these blouses?
Yes,
How many do you want?
I'll take 2 more. A pink one and a yellow one.
Okay, wait a sec.